Hello! In this video, I will show you some steps you can take to make your Word documents more accessible. Before uploading any Word document to your course or sending one out via email, you should take some steps to make sure that the Word document is readable by screen readers, such as Ally, which you have access, as your students do, through Brightspace. The focus of this video will be how to properly format tables within your Word document to make sure that they're easily readable by screen readers. Scrolling down here to an example table I have within this sample syllabus document, I'll go to this grading breakdown table. So here we can see a table discussing the breakdown of grades. What it is missing is a header row at the top describing what each of these columns are, something a screen reader needs to be able to parse this information for students. The way we add a header row, in this case when we don't have the space above, is to click into the current first row of the table, find the Table Layout tab along the top of your Word document, and click Insert Above. This will add a blank row in the table above where we can add in our headings. So this is the percent, and then this is the assignments. One last thing we want to do to make sure that this is marked as a header is to highlight the row like this, come to the Table Design tab along the top of your Word document, and then check off Header Row. That way, both the Word document and any screen readers know that this is the header for this table. One thing you also want to make sure you do for any table, such as this course calendar that spills into a second page, is to make sure that the header repeats on the start of every new page. The way we do this is we come to the current header for the table. We can see here it is labeled as the header. We're going to right-click with the header selected and go to Table Properties. And then we want to make sure we check off this Repeat Header row at the top of each page. Now when we click OK, this will update the table, and now we can see the header is at the top of this next page as well. By making sure that each table has a header and any table that repeats on two pages, repeats that header at the top of the page, screen readers will be able to easily parse the data within the table for students using a screen reader.